Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be giving away the BabyHawk R Pro, as you see in front of you, still in its wrapper. This gives me an opportunity to talk about something that Adam Baum, you may know him, he's very active on Facebook, he builds a lot, and I've commissioned him a few times to build some things for me, because my build time is so limited. He has been doing some, I would guess you'd call them a raffle, to where you buy in for a limited number of spots. And sometimes it's a product like this, sometimes it's a custom build by him, you know, kind of never know, sort of grab bag sort of thing. So you have this limited number of spots, and then after he fills those spots, then they have the drawing, and then, you know, somebody's selected, and you got, so let's say you have 20 spots, and it costs you 15 bucks to get in. And I can't remember what it was on this one, otherwise I would cite it. But you have those $15 that you pay, you get one of the 20 spots, or you could pay more and get more spots, but $15 a spot, and then he does a random drawing, and then you get selected, or someone else gets selected, and you receive the prize. So it's a really kind of quad gambling, I guess you might call it. I don't know how to kind of categorize it or phrase it so that it's very, very clear, but basically that is the gist of what he does. And if you're interested in something like that, I would really encourage you to go to Facebook. You can generally find him just searching Adam Baum, ADAMBOMB, FPV, or Adam Baum Build and Repair Services. I'll link his page down below. I would suggest following him. That way you get notice of those sorts of things if you want to participate. And that's where this came from. I saw one of his raffles. It didn't look like too many people were interested for whatever reason. Maybe it was just timing. So I went ahead and threw my name in there, and I think it was 15 or 20 bucks. I don't remember for sure. And I ended up getting selected. So I already have one, as you know. If you missed the review on this, I'll put a card in the corner and a link down in the description if you want to watch that review so you know what you get. So we're going to do our typical drawing, and I believe this is marked, yes, it's Bind and Fly, and I believe it's FR Sky. Does it say that somewhere on here? I don't see it on here, but I would presume that it's FR Sky. Of course, I haven't opened it, so I can't confirm that. And I don't see any other markings on here, so I do believe that it's FR Sky. So I can get it out of the box if you're selected and you want to know, I guess, before I ship it. I don't know. I can look at it. I can test it if you want me to. Make sure the props spin up or the motor spin up. Make sure it binds. Make sure it has all the features that we expect. This is a really feature-rich quad. I can't imagine how many more features we're going to be able to squeeze into these little tiny micros, but you never know. It depends on what they come up with. You've got camera control, you've got, of course, your flight stack, your power switchable VTX, you've got these Avon Rush props. The motors that they show here on the image, at least in the one I got, they were naked bottoms. This shows a full pants version on there. And then also, if you're wondering about the VTX antenna and how to secure that, I just used a zip tie. You may want to look at the video. You might be able to just look at the thumbnail and be able to see it. So we're going to draw two, and let's say we do this Monday night, hopefully. Hopefully the floors will be getting done relatively soon. We think we're getting closer each and every day, so hopefully we're not banned from the house on Monday night, because that would make things very difficult for me. So I want to kind of do this one a little bit quicker than we typically do, so we only have a few days. And also make sure that your YouTube account is tied to an email account that you actually check, because you will receive an email from me, and if you don't respond within the period of time, which is 3 days, then I have to move on to whoever selected second, and that happens frequently. And if you're not familiar with why I do drawings and I do two at a time when I have one item, it's generally because I have about a 40% failure rate when it comes to that contact. So we got three basic things you need to do. You need to comment down below. One comment, don't ask a question because I won't respond. Two, you need to be a subscriber, and three, you need to like the video. Also, when we do the drawing, you'll notice that the likes on whoever selected it will show 0 likes, unless somebody else clicks like on their comment. That 0 likes indicates that their comment has 0 likes, not that they didn't like the video. We covered that last time, but a few people missed that, and I know that causes anxiety when you don't think that things are run right. So I do my best to run these things as evenly as I can. Of course, I'm not trying to do anything shady. I've just kind of mistakenly got this, and I think someone else would have a lot of fun with it. Shipping will be on you this time. I just split some shipping, getting the rapid fire module off to Australia, so the shipping budget is kind of shot. If you're in the continental U.S., I can't imagine this is more than 12 or 15 bucks. If you're international, it's going to be probably double that or more depending upon where it is that you live. All right, so you've probably left your comment down below already. Hopefully you've clicked that like button. Also the bell in the top right-hand corner if you're watching on mobile. I'm not certain of it is, but look for a notification bell, and then you can be notified when the results video comes up. That's also important. All right, I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.